Hello! Welcome back to another day of Advent of Code 2022. Today we are going through day 6 and just before we start I just want to say thank you very much for all the comments and the subscriptions. If you haven't subscribed already, just click it, it's free and you get access to the next day's video as well. So let's get started. Today we are working on a strange input. We need to let's just start by copy pasting this input right inside here. Our example, we can already remove splitting, a new line, remove mapping. This is day 6. So yeah, the code here is the template that I'm using every day. And so here we're gonna say, let's call that input instead. And actually we could make that, no, we don't care. Let's do, so here we are going to go through each element of this input.length. Let's log the input of I. Just make sure everything is set up correctly. Yep, that's good. So what we need to do now is to accumulate 4 elements, and we only want to handle these 4 elements. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have an array. So we're gonna say let sliding window, it's empty at first, and here we do sliding window dot push. So we add this element at the end of the array, sliding window, and we check if sliding window dot length is above 4. We only want 4 elements. We're gonna do sliding window dot shift to remove the first character of the array. So basically we start with M, MG, MGQ, MGQG, and then it shifts. That looks good. I think we want to check that each character is unique, and we want, okay. So here we're gonna say function is unique array, and we're gonna return new set of array that length is equal to array.length. So here we're gonna just do like some kind of unit testing. Is unique 1 to 3 and 1 to 1, 1 to A, and nothing, and just 1 element. Let's see. False. I think I've made a mistake somewhere. We have an array. So here, oh, it's not dot length, I think it's size. Yeah, it's size for the set. So we want to make sure, basically when we create a set, this is doing a deduplication of the array, and we check the size of the set, and it must be the same length of the array to make sure that it was no deduplication, and that means the array only has unique elements. And we have a false here and a true everywhere else. This is looking nice. So here, what we can say, we say if sliding window dot length is equal to 4 and is unique sliding window. In that case, we can console log I plus 1 and we break. Why do I break? I break so that we don't go through the full input. and I console I plus 1 because we're starting at 0, and in the prem statement here we start at 1, I believe. Let's see. 7. That's what we need. So let's go right away. Maybe this is a quick one today. I hope I haven't overlooked anything. Let's try that. We have 1,275. Woohoo! That was a fast one. Let's go and continue to part 2. I'm gonna read that. Okay, first look at the prem statement. It looks really easy. We just need 14 distinct characters instead of just 4. So I think our code should be optimized enough. So we're gonna use the small input here. I think our code here should be optimized enough so that we can instead, so here we're gonna say const length is equal to 14. Message window length. So basically, if we are more than the window length with the shift, and if we are exactly, we check the uniqueness. And we display I plus 1. Let's see. Looks like our code was optimized enough for this. Are we already done? That would be crazy. Let's see. Let's see. Is that correct? Woo, that was easy today. I'm happy we could get that done super quickly. Yeah, it was really just a couple of tricks put together and it worked. So thank you very much for the support in this series. Don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.